Welcome. If you're looking to disable in-app notifications for comments on your saved pins in Pinterest, you're in the right place. Pinterest has recently updated its settings, making it easier to manage notifications directly from your PC. Follow these simple steps to take control of your Pinterest experience. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Pinterest website at pinterest.com. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the left side menu where you'll find various options. Next, locate and click on the gear icon, which represents the settings menu. This will take you to your account settings. In this section, you'll see several categories on the left-hand side. Click on Settings to proceed. Now that you're in the Settings menu, find and select Notifications. This is where you can customize how Pinterest communicates with you regarding various activities on the platform. Under the Notifications section, look for a category labeled Pins You Saved. Here you'll see an option for Comments. Click on this option to access your comment notification settings. To disable in-app notifications for comments on your saved pins, simply toggle off the setting that allows these notifications. This will prevent Pinterest from sending you alerts whenever someone comments on a pin you've saved. Once you've made this change, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the page to ensure your preferences are updated. And that's it. You've successfully disabled in-app notifications for comments on your saved pins. Enjoy a more streamlined Pinterest experience without those distracting alerts. If you ever want to re-enable notifications, just follow these steps again and toggle the setting back on. Thank you for watching. For more tips and tricks on how to enhance your Pinterest experience, be sure to subscribe and check out our other videos.